sure na ang tipo mo sa lalaki ay yung TDH. Tall, dark, and happy.
Siya ang nakapansin sa akin.
Palaban to, palaban. Si Nelson.
Wala, pareho kahit ilagay ko eh. Ito na yun.
Pogi mo naman.
All that I can do is say,
Kalingan. Uy, wag. Makamay tayo. Masusunod ako? Number 2, ikaw masusunod pero susundin mo ang number 1. Tayo magsibaba na. Pagod na dito yung dalawa.
I promise to never stop flirting with you kahit na maputi na ang buhok natin.
Uy!
Natasha, asawa ko. You can thank all the stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one.
Kanina, tinatanong ako nung videographer, ano daw favorite line ko? Nung Your Universe. Same pala tayo.
You say you'll be down in 5. The smell of your perfume is floating down the stairs. You're fixing up your hair like you do.
You made it easy for me to fall in love with you. And though courting you wasn't a struggle, our long-distance relationship came with its own challenges.
After 4 months of preparation, here we are, sealing it officially. Sabi nga nila, finally, ikakasal na kayo.
I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me ain't a secret, 'cause watching you is all that I can do. And I'm speechless, you already know that you're my weakness. After all this
Oh, parang hindi tayo nagkita kanina.
Now, I would like to appreciate you for making all of this effort.
Oo nga eh.
While I'm away, how you always adjust your time para sa akin.
Thank you, ma. Kasi maabot tayo dito sa pag-aalaga sa aming mga kapatid. Yan. Saka huwag kang mag-asawang mag-alaga sa amin. Mahal na mahal ka namin.
We were separated by miles and time zone, but God had a beautiful way of keeping our hearts connected.
Naiyak to. Bakit ka kasi nag-any words?
I'm speechless, staring at you standing there in that dress. What it's doing to me.
Mahal, it's amazing how God aligned our paths so perfectly. All the little quirks and simple things about me, somehow, you saw them and fell in love.
You already know that you're my weakness.
Diba, thank you kasi nandiyan kayo palagi ni Daddy. Sinusuportan niya ako sa lahat ng gusto kong gawin. Tsaka thankful ako kasi pinalaki niyo kaming maayos.
Thank you for all the respect you gave me, for all the years we have and we will be happy. I vow to make you coffees every morning and be patient every time you forget to put down the toilet seat.
I thank God you can read my mind, 'cause when you look at me with those eyes,
I thank God for blessing me with a sense of humor because making you smile will always be my favorite thing to do. Gusto ko, masaya ka lang palagi.
Whatever our future holds, I vow to stay at your side and always choose all forms of you.
you already know that you're my weakness. After all this time, I'm just as nervous every time you walk into the room. I'm speechless.